We have this question to solve. The question is, use the binomial theorem to expand and simplify all the terms of in a bracket 1 plus 2 divided by x all exponent 3. 1 plus 2 on x in a bracket all exponent 3, all exponent 3. So we have this. You have been given 1 plus 2 divided by x all exponent 3 to solve using binomial theorem. First of all, let's make y equals the second term in the bracket, which is 2 divided by x. So we have y equals 2 divided by x. We want to make it simple so that we can easily solve, and after solving it, we substitute 2 divided by x in place of y. So we are making y equals that, which is 2 divided by x. Okay, we have 1 plus y in a bracket exponent 3. Y plus y in a bracket exponent 3. By the binomial theorem, we already know that we have this very formula. That is in a bracket 1 plus x all exponent n. 1 plus x in a bracket exponent n. And we have 1 plus n multiplying x plus n multiplying in a bracket n minus 1 x exponent 2 all divided by 2 factorial plus n into bracket n minus 1 multiplying n minus 2 all multiplying x exponent 3 all divided by 3 factorial. We are ending here because as far as the question is concerned, the highest exponent or the exponent is what? 3. So we are stopping at x exponent 3. Remember, it is divided by 3 factorial. Okay. We now go to the question. The question is 1 plus y in a bracket exponent 3. And comparing it to the formula that I have already given you, or it is already stated above, we are going to have 1 plus, from the formula, you can see that the exponent is multiplying the second term. So here, the exponent is 3. Multiplying the second term is what? Y. And we are going to have 3 multiplying y. We go to the next one, plus the exponent, which is 3, into bracket 3 minus 1. From the formula, it is n in a bracket n minus 1. So the same thing, the exponent multiplying the exponent minus 1, which is 3 in a bracket 3 minus 1, all multiplying y squared, all divided by 2 factorial. We go to the next, we have 3 multiplying 3 minus 1, all multiplying 3 minus 2, all multiplying y exponent 3, all divided by 3 factorial. So remember, as you go forward, the exponent will be increasing. So you can see from the 3y that it is what? Automatically exponent 1. Any number exponent 1 is the same number. So that's it. And when you go to the next, it is y exponent 2. The next one is y exponent 3. So as you go, the exponent will be increasing. And those in the bracket, you can see that the first one is what? 3 minus 1. And the next is 3 minus 1 in a bracket, and also 3 minus 2 also in a bracket. It means when you continue, you are going to get also 3 minus what? 1. So that's it. That's how it goes. Let's continue from here. The next stage, we have 1 plus 3y plus 3 into bracket 2. That is 3 times 2. All multiplying y squared, all divided by 2 factorial. 2 factorial means what? 2 times 1. 2 times 1. The next one, we are going to get 3 times 2 times 1, all multiplying y cube, or divided by 3 factorial. 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1. Okay, the next one is we are having 1 plus 3y plus 6y squared divided by 2. 6y squared divided by 2 plus, here will give us 6y cubed, that is 6y exponent 3 divided by 6. And the next step will give us 1 plus 3y plus 3y squared. Remember, it is 6 divided by 2, so it will be 3y squared plus, here 6 divided by 6 is 1, and we are going to get y cubed. So 1 plus 3y plus 3y squared plus y cubed. But initially we made y to be equal to 2 divided by x. So since we've gotten to this side, we have to substitute back. We are going to substitute 2 divided by x at wherever we see y. And by so doing, we are going to get 1 plus 3 multiplying y will be now 2 divided by x. So it will be 3 times 2 divided by x. The next is plus 3 multiplying 2 divided by x all squared. It means 2 divided by x is in a bracket, exponent 2, plus 2 divided by 3 all in a bracket, exponent 3. All in a bracket, exponent 3. Okay, let's simplify. The next stage, we are having 1 plus 2 times 3 will give us 6, so it will be 6 divided by x. The next is we maintain 3. We are simplifying 2 divided by x squared before we multiply by 3. And by so doing, we are going to get 3 times 4 divided by s squared. 3 times 4 divided by s squared. Plus, the next one will give us 8 divided by s cubed. That is 2 cubed, 2 exponent 3. It means 2 times 2 times 2, which will give us 8. And the x will give us x times x times x 3 times, which will give us x cubed. So the last time we are having 8 divided by s cubed. Okay, we continue. We are going to have, the next stage, we are going to have 1 plus 6 divided by x plus 12 divided by x squared plus 8 divided by x exponent 3. And we can write this one simply, ignoring the fractions. We can write 1 plus, instead of 6 divided by x, we write 6 multiplying x exponent negative 1. 6x exponent negative 1. The next step will give us, the next one will give us 12x exponent minus 2. 12x exponent negative 2 plus 8x exponent minus 3. 8x exponent negative 3. So this is how we deal with such question. Remember, the question says use the binomial theorem. So here, when you use the Pascal's triangle, the coefficients over the bar double goes, it means you are wrong. So you have to